Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locating the site you want removed. Open Chrome and load that page. Once visible, click the lock or info icon at the left of the address bar to reveal permissions. If you prefer the menu route, open Settings, choose Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. This gets you directly to per-site controls because Chrome stores site data and permissions there. You need those controls to remove cookies, data, or permissions that let the site persist. Once in the Site panel, first clear cookies and storage so the site loses saved state. Click Clear Data or Clear Cookies and Site Data. Make sure to remove any granted permissions, location, camera notifications, by toggling them to block or ask. After clearing, use the Remove button or Choose block to stop the site from storing data again. This ensures the site can't re-identify you with old cookies and prevents automatic access going forward. Finish by testing the removal. Open a new tab, load the site, and confirm it no longer has stored data or permissions. If the site still shows saved info, clear the browser cache via Settings Privacy and Security Clear Browsing Data. Choose Cookies and Cached Images. Also check Chrome Sync. If active, sync data may restore settings across devices, so temporarily pause sync or clear sync data. If problems persist, restart Chrome. That flushes processes and ensures changes take effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.